Hello friends, in this video lecture we are going to see IPv4 addresses embedded in IPv6 addresses. Okay. During transition from IPv4 to IPv6, host can use their IPv4 addresses embedded in IPv6 address. Initially there was only one address, that is IPv4 address. Now there was a transition from IPv4 to IPv6. Currently there is IPv6 and IPv4 address. Some computers uses IPv4 and some computers uses IPv6 and some computer uses both. This is current scenario of use of IP addresses. If sender uses IPv4 address and receiver uses IPv6 address, this is sender and this is receiver. These two addresses are not compatible. In order to make the communication compatible, network has to transform the addresses. Means IPv4 will transform to IPv6 and IPv6 will transform to IPv4. To make this happen, there are two types of addresses designed. First one is the compatible address and the second one is the map address. Let's see all this one by one. Compatible address. IPv6 address is of 128 bit. So here in this address 96 bits of 0 followed by 32 bits of IPv4 address. Means this total section is of 96 bits of 0. This portion is of 8 bit and this portion is of 88 bit. All are zeros. This 8 bit portion belongs to prefix and this last portion belongs to IPv4 address, which is of 32 bit. Compatible addresses are used when computer uses IPv6. Let's say this is one computer A, which is basically sender, wants to send data to another computer, that is computer B, which uses IPv6. Means this is computer A is sender, uses IPv6, and computer B is receiver, uses IPv6, same address, but there is intermediate network that uses IPv4 address. To make the communication happen, means for good communication, IPv6 address is to be transformed into IPv4, and here at this stage IPv4 is to be transformed into IPv6. Means what you are doing here, IPv6 will transform into IPv4 and communication happen. Okay, that is about the compatible addresses. Example of address transformation is that IPv4 becomes IPv6 and IPv6 become IPv4 as per the need. Okay, so while transformation, IPv4 address is prepended with 96 zeros. 96 zeros plus 32 bit IPv4 address, that is 128 bit IPv6 address. So this is the simple calculation. Next address is map address. It comprises 80 bits of zeros followed by 16 bits of 1 followed by 32 bits of IPv4 address. IPv6 address is of 128 bit. Out of this 128 bit, it comprises 80 bits of zeros. 80 bits of zeros means this 8 bit zeros belongs to prefix plus 72 bits, these are 0. Means this 8 bit plus 72 bit, 80 bits of zeros followed by 16 bit 16 bits of 1 followed by IPv4 address which is of 32 bit. Okay, so this is the format. It is used when computer that has migrated to IPv6 wants to send a packet to a computer still using IPv4. The packet travels mostly through IPv6 network but is finally delivered to a host that uses IPv4 address. MAC address is used when computer that has IPv4 address previously now migrated to IPv6 address and wants to send a packet to computer that uses IPv4 address. In this case, through this intermediate network, this packet travels through IPv6. Now here, at the time of delivery, that packet is converted into IPv4 address. So there is simple transformation. There is simple mechanism that IPv6 address is transformed into IPv4 address. Let's have the example. IPv4 becomes IPv6 address and IPv6 address become IPv4 address. IPv4 address is preponded with 16 ones and 80 zeros to create 128-bit IPv6 address. Means there is 80-bit zeros plus 16-bit 1 plus IPv4 address. So it becomes 128. 80-bit, that 80-bit 0, 16-bit 1, IPv4 address is of 32-bit. So it becomes 128-bit, that is IPv6 address. So this is all about MAC address. So in the checksum related issue, compatible and MAC addresses are designed in such way that they can either use the total address or the embedded address, and that embedded or the total address either extra zeros or extra ones, which is in quantity of 16, and this adding of zeros while converting address from IPv4 to v6 doesn't checksum calculation. So that is about the checksum related to compatible and the MAC address. Thank you.